You know that feeling where you got your channel monetized and all you see after that is a life of freedom, a life where you live without worries because you can finally quit your job and do what you love? And as soon as you turn on that monetization button, you sit back, relaxed, and just feel the gentle breeze on your face because you know your YouTube channel is going to do all the hard work for you to make money. And then the next day, you check your revenue and shocking, you made less than $10. I made more money than that in an hour. And your dreams shatter and you start to wonder, when can I get there and be able to do what other big YouTubers do? After my channel is monetized, I know very well that making money from ads alone is not going to be enough. It is like running a business. You cannot rely on just one customer paying you money. You actually need to have a lot of customers so that, if you happen to lose one customer, you don't have to worry that much. And having a YouTube channel does the same thing. There are actually two things you gain out of running a YouTube channel. The first one is, of course, being able to make money from the contents you create for your viewers. The second one, on the other hand, is about creating new opportunities to make money elsewhere by leveraging on the credibility you built on your channel. And I started looking up all these big channels who make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just by running a YouTube channel because I want to learn how on earth they make all this money. Well, turns out they all have roughly the same type of income source, which is a relief, I have to say, because it makes it a lot more achievable. I ended up trying a few of them to see if it really does work, and it has been quite interesting, although not in a good way. Now keep in mind, I'm only referring to how to make money by leveraging on your YouTube channel. I know there are lots of YouTubers out there who are rich because they have some form of investments. And I know investments can help you make a lot of money, but I'm not interested in that because you can invest without a YouTube channel. Hence, we're going to stick to just using YouTube channel to make other kinds of money. So the most common form of income source many YouTubers use is affiliate marketing. This is where they stuff all these links in their description, and if you click on it and make a purchase, they will get commission out of it. Now I know this can be quite a turn off for most people, but hey, YouTubers gotta put food on the table as well. Besides, the links are in the description, so they're not forcing anyone to click it if they don't like it. So in that sense, I'm good with it. Anyways, I gave this a try myself, and at first, I couldn't figure out what sort of affiliates I should go with because whatever I choose has to be relevant with the contents I create. Otherwise, I'll just look like I'm hard selling all the time. So I thought, you know what? I need to select products that I use on my own YouTube channel because I talk about them and I'm showing my viewers that I too am a consumer. And I ended up joining 3 affiliate programs: Amazon, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy. Amazon is quite simple. You apply for the affiliate program, and once you're approved, you simply select from the millions of products they have, grab the affiliate link, and stick it on your description. Now, whenever someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you get a cut. Now, I wish I could show you more screenshots, but something happened to my Amazon affiliate account and it got closed automatically. But you need to trust me on this one, alright? I was trying to promote a Blue Yeti microphone, which is the one I have right here, and even though I got clicks, I got 0 purchases. And Amazon has this thing where if you do not make any sales at all in 90 days, they just close your account. I think you can still register another account though. I did it twice and I failed to make any sales, so I dare not apply again. I don't want to get banned. So that's Amazon. The other affiliate I have with is vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which, as you all know, are YouTube keyword research tools. Again, they work roughly the same way. You get your affiliate link, people click on it, people sign up, and you get 30% commission, I think. But this is where it gets a little strange. First of all, no one seems to be signing up to vidIQ. Most people are just signing up to TubeBuddy. I personally prefer vidIQ over TubeBuddy, but hey, I have no complaints if people are paying for TubeBuddy either. According to TubeBuddy, I get paid for as long as they remain a customer forever. So anyway, I did make some money on TubeBuddy, just a couple of sales here and there, but every time they are about to pay me, I get this email that says, you have earned $5.70 in affiliate commissions this month, but unfortunately, that is below our $10 minimum payout. And you know what? I never did get any payments in the end from TubeBuddy, because one of the things they mentioned is payments for referrals are made on the first of each month after the license has been active for 30 days. And I guess whoever signed up for TubeBuddy using my referral link never did continue after 30 days, which is not surprising to be honest, given how YouTube keyword research tools are starting to become irrelevant due to all these changes happening with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, that's my experience with affiliate marketing. Not a particularly good experience at this point. Let's move on to the next one, selling products. Now, this is different from selling a product through Amazon. This is around selling your own product. I think this is what most people call a merch, like a t-shirt or a hat or a cup, but it isn't restricted to just physical products. There's also digital products. I'm not sure how much money this makes. I don't have anything like that on my channel, but I'll show you a great example. This is Catherine Manning's channel. If you check out the description in her videos, you'll see a few links that lead to her own website. Her website is pretty simple, nothing too fancy here, but check out what she sells. Clothing and apparels that look like she designed herself. There's also a content calendar template you can purchase, which she uses to schedule all her social media stuff because, you know, if you want your YouTube channel to work, you need to have a strategy to stay consistent. And then there's a blow it up blueprint, which has 30 unique printable pages designed to help you create an action plan and your own unique guide that will blow up your brand in the next 60 days. Now, creating products of your own has its own pros and cons. First, the pros. You actually own 100% of the profits because you do not have to pay commission to anyone. There's no middle person. You can also build up your own customer base because you direct your audience away from your channel. This gives you more control over the audience you work so hard to build and convert them to your own customers. So if YouTube were to say shut your channel down one day, you don't have to worry because you still have a way to keep in touch with your customers. Now, the cons. Creating your own product takes a lot of time and effort, especially if you're creating physical products. Imagine if you were to create your own t-shirt. You'll have to look for a supplier, you'll need to look for a designer, and you'll need to evaluate the quality of your product. And on top of all of that, you need to keep communication high, and you'll need to figure out warehousing, a place to store your products. Or maybe you decide to do dropshipping, which you'll need to work out with your supplier and negotiate a plan. So you see, a lot of planning and strategies to put in place, but it does train you to start thinking about running your YouTube channel as a business. And here's one more, sponsorship. Out of all the ways to make money on YouTube, this is the holy grail for all YouTubers. This is the biggest one, the one where YouTubers make tens of thousands of dollars from, and this is what many YouTubers should aim for. Basically, they get approached by some sponsors or they have agents that manages all this. Then the sponsor will pay you an X amount of money for you to promote their products in your video for a set amount of time. You'll spend say 1 minute promoting the product on your video, which the sponsor needs to review first and approve. But once it is approved, you stick it in and you get paid. Now here's the thing not many people know. Sponsors don't care about how many subscribers you have. They only care about how many views your videos can get, which makes sense because they want their products to be promoted as many times as possible. How do I know so much? Well, that's a secret for another day. Anyways, that's all from me in this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and sub, okay? Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.